Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at Smyth Performance Kit for the Volkswagen Beetle. It takes the Volkswagen Beetle and transforms it into a pickup truck. The fit and finish on this kit's amazing. They actually make this kit for several other cars. The next car we'll probably take a look at is the Hellcat. They actually make this kit for the Hellcat, and we'll probably have this on the channel next. Now let's take a look at the custom interior. They did a great job on it. I like the tan and the green. See, it's a 5-speed. I like the screen in the middle. I like the powder coated gold wheels. It goes good with the metallic pearl green. I think this color would look good on my C8. Like I said, the fit and finish on this thing is amazing. It looks like it came right from the VW factory. Now let's take a look at how this thing's put together. First, you gotta chop the back of the car. Then the bed has to be assembled. It's made of high-grade corrosion-resistant aluminum. And then you have to put the reinforcement slats in. Next, the fiberglass body panels are installed. The custom rear window is tempered glass designed specifically for this vehicle. Now it's time to primer and paint. This kit will take about 12 hours depending on your skill level. This kit retails for around $4,900 with Smyth Performance.
We will try to do a new mod every week. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.